What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV, and I want to give you a quick rundown on the batteries we got for sale today. I've got China Hobby Line Black 1300s, the classic. Absolutely love these, but I was like, you know what? These jackets could be a little thicker. What if we made them more durable? Yeah, we made the Fly High Green Packs next. These are thick boys made of rubber and designed to bounce off of concrete, because that's how I roll. And I've also got black 1100s and the 4S 1500s for your starter packs. These batteries are all cheap as fuck. This is $21.50, $22.50, 20 bucks, $17.50. And if that's not cheap enough, use one of the coupon codes on my website. 4 packs, 4 PACKS, will save you $1 off of every battery you buy. 10 packs is going to save you $2 off of every battery, and if you use coupon code 20 packs, you're going to save $3 off of every battery. That means you'll get these bad boys for less than 20 bucks a piece. Nice thick boys, they're going to last you. And if you need a solution, say you've already got 20 packs and you need to carry more, but you're just tired of carrying all these batteries and they're starting to get heavy, then get you a Stay High field charging pack. This big bastard is going to weigh as much as about 5.5 of these, but it's going to charge 12.5 of them. If you're charging batteries more like this, you're probably going to get 14 or 15 charges out of this one big boy. This is the way to go. Fly high, stay high. And if you want, I'll even print the rubbers for you. The rubbers are open source, so you can go grab them on thingiverse.com and print your own. I even provide blanks if you want to put your own logos on there. But right now, mine come with the Fly High and Upgrade Energy. Upgrade Energy is my partner that makes these badass batteries. They make badass long-range packs too. If you want some of that dark lithium 21700 packs or 18650 packs, hit up my boys at Upgrade Energy. But you can mix and match these in with these as well. Save money on all of it together. FlyHighFPV.com and use the codes 4 packs, 10 packs, and 20 packs so you can save stacks of packs. FlyHighFPV.com.